Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I will discuss how can you actually make $1,000 a day. Earning $1,000 a day won't happen overnight, but this side hustle stacking strategy can get you started. To earn $1,000 a day, consider combining various hustles, including delivering food orders through services like Uber Eats or DoorDash, investing in stocks or bonds through Stash One, with the understanding of associated risks, completing paid surveys on platforms like Survey Junkie or Inbox Dollars, and playing games that could pay you for winning, such as Bingo Cash or Cash Giraffe. Keep in mind that to be successful in these hustles, you might need time, effort, and sometimes an initial investment. Earning $1,000 means making $365,000 a year. While it may be challenging to earn this amount of money from a single source unless it's a high-paying job like being a doctor or CEO, it might be possible to make this much by combining hustles, creativity, and financial opportunities. By stacking your efforts, you could take the right money-generating and money-saving moves to accumulate wealth. The step-by-step formula for making $1,000 a day is simple. Keep working that day job. An active income stream, such as a full-time job, provides a steady paycheck, but it might not provide $1,000 a day on its own. Find a side hustle for extra income. Part-time side hustles can supplement your active income. The key is to find one that aligns with your skills and lifestyle. For instance, if you prefer online activities, consider starting an e-commerce store or building a blog. Identify additional ways to save or get rewards. Smart financial choices, like limiting expenses and shopping smarter, can help stretch your earnings further. Use the extra money to invest or generate passive income. Passive income, such as returns and dividends from investments, can grow your income without requiring additional work. This forms part of the stacking strategy, which involves layering multiple income sources and financial strategies. This three-tiered side hustle stack offers a comprehensive approach to boosting your income and financial well-being. It begins with signing up for Uber Eats, a straightforward process that allows you to earn money as a delivery driver at your convenience. Next, add DoorDash to earn more and potentially receive tips from happy customers. If you like the video, please subscribe and share it with your friends. See you today with something new in another video. Take care.